Hello everyone, so for the first hotel of my Euro 2019-2020 trip, I'm staying at the Ibis Styles in London Heathrow Airport. I've been given room 144 on the first floor. So here's the key card, let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here is a sofa thing, so you can sit on it. And to the right is the slot to insert the key card for the room's power, together with some light switches. Next to it is the bathroom, with the sink, a mirror, a duct, the toilet, and the shower area. Okay, so further inside, that is the bed, very nice bed I might add. Down here is the refreshment cabinet or trolley, whatever you wanna call it. You can find the tea, coffee, kettle and whatnot in there. The phone, plug, and more light switches and lights. The climate control panel. Tiny desk area, although I doubt you can do anything there. Place to put your luggage below. A mirror. Hello. The cupboard area where you can hang stuff and extra pillows and towels above. Flat screen LG TV. That's a chair. This is sort of like a picture where you can find a lot of airport related stuff, including airport codes and whatnot. Another view of the bed with a sort of like desk area, more lights and light switches and plugs, and you can see a space person right above the bed. So for the view out of the window, I have a view of the hotel's driveway below. That is the entrance right there. And to get to this part of the hotel, you actually have to go up to the second floor and use this walkway right here to get to this part, then take the lift down to the first floor to get to my room. But yeah. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 144 at the Ibis Styles London Heathrow Airport. Thanks for watching and goodbye.